Hello, my name is Elizabeth Locke and a warm welcome to my website. I'm a holistic therapist, Tantric educator and Reiki Master, plus a practicing Shaman. I am deeply passionate about my work, and with over 30 years of experience, I have developed a variety of skills which I regularly update, combined with a wealth of knowledge which I'm happy to share with you. Okay, so Shelley, it's lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
Obviously, to practice safely, we have to go through a consultation, so I need to ask you a few questions. Okay. Also, it means that I can tailor-make the treatment just for you and for your needs. Now, the main question I have to ask is, how is your health at the moment? How do you view it generally?
My health is okay, but I have digestive problems that I would like to sort out.
Okay. Well, we'll see what we can do to help you. Okay. And a breath out, and push up, and stretch. This is the cobra position, which is fantastic for releasing pressure. And then reverse, so you go back into the back stretch, pulling the belly button up towards the spine, the head down. What we're going to do is we're going to stretch forward with our hands as far as we can and push the bottom back, and if you can, just take the head down to the ground.
And my masseuse, Elizabeth Locke, was very kind and very relaxed, and she's really fantastic masseuse. And she leaves you feeling 100%, I would say, feeling relaxed after the treatment.
Each massage has helped me to relax my body and giving back my strength afterwards. Every time I enter this cute little treatment room, I feel like I'm in a different world, and it helps to forget all my daily problems.
Elizabeth made me feel so relaxed, so comfortable. I didn't feel self-conscious at all. I just felt like I was home, and it was the most relaxing, lovely massage. My body felt calm and serene. Absolutely what I needed. I'd recommend it to absolutely anybody.
I had a short 10 to 12 massage in the chair, which is ideal for people that don't have a lot of time, and I was really surprised at how much tension was released. It was a really amazing experience. Elizabeth done an amazing job, and I would highly recommend her to all my friends and family.
I was in great care, made sure I was nurtured the right way, and there's not really much to say. Like, she is really good at what she does, and I would come again. I think this is not the last time I'd be here. Absolutely not the last time.
For further information and updates, please see the contact details shown. I'm always happy to answer any questions or queries you may have. If you're interested in learning more about Tantra or the treatments available, then please visit my other website, yourtantrictouch.co.uk. Alternatively, you can visit my Facebook page at You're in a Glow or my Instagram at You're in a Glow Therapy, the links of which will be shown on the screen below. I also have a YouTube channel relating to the work I do, and I always welcome any positive feedback. Please do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.